So here I'm going to show you how to mirror the iPad screen to MacBook by using cable. So make sure first of all you need to ensure that the iTunes or your image capture application is already closed and the iPad is connected to MacBook by using the Lightning USB cable. Let's start with launching the QuickTime player. So once launched, the Quick Play will bring us to a file picker menu. So in this case, we are not interested to play any video file. So we just click cancel here. So next step is go to menu bar and click file. So from here we have a few options and you just need to click the new movie recording. So as you can see, this is the interface of the new movie recording. So by default, it shows the input device of the FaceTime camera of the MacBook. To screen or mirror our iPad, so you just need to click at the down arrow, okay, next to the record button, and you need to select your iPad. In this case, my iPad's name is Anida's iPad. So just click there, and this is how the screen mirroring looks like when we connect between our iPad to MacBook by using a cable. So I'm just showing you how my MacBook now display whatever screen. In this case, I show my keynote presentation of one of my courses that I teach. So that's all.